With all power given me as the most senior volunteer of FIDA, I want to say our main reason being here today is we have come as prepared army, as we call one another soldiers against the coronavirus. We have an invisible animal today. We have an invisible enemy that's in the world today. This enemy has infiltrated in our territory of peace, of love, of oneness, of togetherness. You see today, everybody have to stand at a distance because we have an enemy, and this enemy is called coronavirus. The entire world is fighting it. Liberia government and all other institutions are fighting it. We men and women, young people and older people of Liberia organize ourselves to be soldiers. Not S-O-L-D-E-R, but S-O-J-A, soldiers. S-O-J-A-S, soldiers. Against this virus, we are here today to present to the community. The community of Vocal Mission in Painesville Belt. Some number of buckets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of buckets. And these buckets are to be placed at major junction in this community. Beyond the junction, we have identified 3 hand pumps in the community to tell you are working in your community far from Broadview. 3 hand pumps in this community, and we know that many of the people or all of the people gather to these 3 hand pumps to get water. So each of the hand pumps should carry 1 hand wash bucket. And the owner of the hand pump must take responsibility in coherence with our volunteers to take care of the bucket and mount it every morning. Mr. Chairman, if anybody refuses to use the bucket when they go draw their water, that is washing hands, please, there should be some rules set up in your community that we're able to take care of them. And besides that, we are calling on the community leadership to join our voluntary network. Because we're not planted, imagine we are only 700 plus. So we can't cover all over, but if all of the community leaders can join FIDA, as FIDA has joined the government in collaboration, definitely we can defeat coronavirus. So on this note, I want to tell you this is our purpose.
Okay. Donation of material to the community.
All right, again, Jackie, you think you can do this for us? Okay, I want us to do it together because they say ladies and gentlemen, right? And you know you guys are the bone for us. So we will donate to you, Jackie, being a resident of this community, and you will then hand over to the community chairman. Daniel, can you please give us some 6 feet? On behalf of FIDA, Jackie.
Mr. Chairman, on behalf of FIDA, we want to say this is our little way of saying that we are identifying with the community. We gave you this, or these buckets rather, as donation from FIDA to Vocal Mission community.
In addition to that, you have these bags that tie soap. Mr. Chairman, we want you to use this tie soap and always replace the water and the soap in the bucket. Please. In addition to the tie soap, we have a carton of Clorox here. This is what we were able to get for you. We want to make this hand washing to be something compulsory. So like she said rightly, it is for the community. It is not for individual. And we will want to see how far your community will go to settle rules regarding people entering the community and refusing to wash their hands. We're saying this as a challenge. As a community leader and to all community leaders, people who live in a community that are refusing to wash their hands, I personally I personally, not in the capacity of the institution with this particular statement, but I personally, as Sheikh Imam Sheikh Musa Nyang, I see those people as enemy to the community. And if those people are not there with according to the community level, I live in a community, I don't want to wash my hands. I want to play violence. There is a need for the community to see what you can do about that. Okay? We are working with you. We'll continue to work with you, and we would like to see you being one of our volunteers so that tomorrow you can also go to other communities and sensitize. Please, hand washing is a global recommendation for this disease. Social distancing is a global recommendation for this disease. Let us practice them and let us practice everything. Finally, the issue of death. Yesterday, the Muslim community lost one of the imams, a very big person in this Painesville area, Laser Nilzo. FIDA has also taken the initiative to contact the necessary health authority on their ballot issues. So when your community has a death ballot issue, let them contact our volunteers. We are not going to go there, and we are going to contact the necessary people, and they will come to access that death. I think they did the assessment, and the death is free of this particular virus because the old man been sick for almost 3 years. And now they are going to facilitate the burial this morning. I think together, and we believe, FIDA believe when we work like this, we can keep Corona out of Liberia. Thank you very much.
Okay, welcoming remark. I will take 3 welcoming remarks, 1 from the organization, 2 from the community.
First of all, you can hear us speaking.
Thank you. Indeed, for and on behalf of our Vocal Mission community, we want to take this time to thank FIDA so very much for this donation. And we tell you that we will use this to the best of our ability. We will make sure these buckets will be placed to the strategic areas where we will monitor people day after day. Before you enter our community, you're going to wash your hands. And if you fail to do so, we're going to take an action against you. And to our volunteer, most especially Jackie and our Aunt Lily, the chair lady for Black A and Black C, acting chair lady, we want to say thank you so much. This bucket will go across the entire 3 blocks. Vocal Mission got 3 blocks, Black A, B, and C. And we tell you that these buckets will be placed to a strategic point where we will monitor it day and day. So I want to say to you, thank you, and thank you so much. Words are inadequate to express to FIDA. Thank you, and I can tell you, I will be one of the giants, and I'll be able to work with this group. They know me. If I say I'm not sleeping, I'm not sleeping. If I say I'm working, I'm working. And I will try to talk to most of my community members. I'll be able to join your team. Thank you, and thank you very much.
Thank you.
Jackie.